We live in a world where technology evolves overnight, trends changes every single minute and opportunities disappear just as fast as they come. Honestly, basic survival skills has worked for our parents' generation, where a steady routine, slow progress, simple life was enough back then. But today, my friend, that world doesn't exist anymore. If you rely on the basics, you will be left behind while everything around you moves ahead. So, in this video, I wanted to talk about the real skills, the ones that actually helps you grow, stand out and stay ahead. Not the outdated basic skills, but the 7 powerful skills that will help you thrive in both personal and professional life. So, stay tuned till the end. The very first skill that I want you to know is emotional intelligence. You all will agree that at some point in life we have taken a wrong decision just because of our emotions. Maybe we spoke in anger, reacted without thinking of consequences, or missed a good opportunity. That's why emotional intelligence is so important. Emotional intelligence means understanding and managing your own feelings and also understanding other people's emotions. In personal life, emotional intelligence helps us to communicate better, avoid unnecessary fights, and build a strong, happy relationships with the people we care about. And in professional life, it helps us to work well with others, handle problems calmly, and become a better leaders, which supports our growth and success in our career. And you know the best part that emotional intelligence can be learned. And you should, because understanding your emotions will help you to make a smarter choices. Lastly, remember, IQ may make you intelligent, but EQ makes you wise. Now, coming to the second skill, which is financial literacy. Whether you are a man or a woman, no matter how big or small your earnings are, if you don't know how to manage your money properly, you might end up struggling or crying in your future. And that's why financial literacy is so important. Financial literacy simply means understanding how money works, how to earn it, save it, spend it wisely, and grow it for the future. It basically means knowing how to manage your income smartly. Just having basic understanding of investments, savings, budgeting, which will help you to avoid unnecessary debt, manage expenses smartly, and build a secure stress free future. And that's all we want, right? And the best part is, you don't need to be rich to be financially literate. You just need the right knowledge and habits to make your money work for you. Remember, it's not how much you earn, it's how well you manage it, and that truly matters. Let's move on to the third skill, which is mindfulness or self awareness. Tell me honestly, what's your screen time? 3 hours, 5, or maybe even more? We scroll all day long, and half the time we don't even know why we are doing it. Without even realizing, hours slip away, and we are left wondering why we couldn't focus on the things that actually matters. Our mind is constantly being flooded with random information. We think that we are learning from social media, but in reality, it's just wasting our mental energy. We feel tired, distracted, and unmotivated not because we are doing too much, but because our attention is scattered everywhere. That's why it's so important to focus on our thoughts, because half of the time we are being influenced by others without even realizing. Your attention is powerful, so use it intentionally and not accidentally. Trust me, self awareness isn't just a skill, it's your superpower. Moving on to next skill, which is related to this one only, and that is health management. Not just mentally but physically as well. Taking care of your body is one of the most important skills you can have. Many of us ignore our bodies, skipping meals, compromising on our sleep. We are draining our energy, which affects everything we do, both personally and professionally. Health isn't just about extreme diets or spending hours in the gym, it's about simple, consistent habits, eating real food, moving your body, staying hydrated, and getting proper rest. Think of your body as the engine that drives your life. If it's weak or running on empty, nothing else works efficiently. So, invest in your health, build energy and clarity because a strong mind needs a strong body too. Remember, your attention, energy, and actions are your most powerful tools. Don't waste them. Moving on to the fifth one, communication skills or networking. We live in a world full of social media, hundreds of friends online, endless followers, constant notifications, but in reality, how much of those connections actually matters? True communications and networking aren't about numbers, they are about meaningful connections. Being able to express yourself clearly and building trust with people, whether at work or home. It's easy to reply with emojis or likes, but real influence comes from conversations that matters, listening actively and showing genuine interest in others. Good communication opens doors, strengthens relationship and creates opportunities that social media followers alone never will. So stop counting online friends and start connecting with real people. Believe it or not, but your network is only as strong as the bond you build in real life. Sixth one, setting boundaries, or in simpler words, learn to say no. Ever feel drained after saying yes to someone even when you didn't want to? That's because most of us never learn the skill of setting boundaries. Boundaries aren't about being rude or selfish, they are about protecting your time, your energy, and your mental peace. Without them, we get pulled in too many directions, stressed out, and unable to focus on what really matters. Learning to say no doesn't close doors, it actually opens the right ones. It gives you space to grow, to prioritize your goals, and to invest in yourself. Whether it's at work or in relationship or even with friends, boundaries define what's acceptable and what's not. They teach people how to treat you, and more importantly, they teach you how to respect yourself. Last and most important skill, which is time management. Like everyone says, time is more precious than money. Time is the only thing we can never get back, yet most of us waste it without even realizing. Scrolling endlessly, saying yes to everything, or overthinking small things keeps us busy but rarely productive. Time management isn't about doing more, it's about doing what truly matters. Prioritizing tasks, planning your day, and focusing on high impact activities can completely change your results, both personally and professionally. Even small changes like setting deadlines, avoid distractions, and dedicating focused blocks of the time to important work makes a huge difference. Remember, it's not about having more hours in a day, but using every single day wisely. Also, I'd love to know your thoughts, so don't forget to share your opinions or any suggestions in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.